Disclaimer: this video is not intended to show you the best route to transport drugs from the falls to the hoods. Sorry, crackheads. In this video, I drive the route of I-190 from Niagara Falls to downtown Buffalo. If you enjoy my videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. If you're unfamiliar with my videos, I do speed up my videos in order to show more in a less amount of time. We start the video on the outskirts of Niagara Falls, and let me tell you, this part of town smells really bad as a giant landfill is located just north of here. There's also several industries to the southwest and northwest, and it could just be a mixture of all the smells, but there are stories online of the bad smells on this part of town, and let me tell you, it's true. And I might as well share this as it is related that the city of Niagara Falls, New York has a long documented history of pollution and toxic waste. And we now enter Grand Island, which is surrounded by the waters of the Niagara River. 21,000 people live here with an average household income of $80,000 a year. 41% of adults 25 and older have a bachelor's degree, and it's a great spot to settle down if you end up moving to the area. It's about 15 minutes to both Niagara Falls and downtown Buffalo from the island. The schools here are also some of the best in this area of New York. You will see a Ferris wheel on the left ahead, and that is part of the former theme park Fantasy Island. In February of 2020, the park had announced that it will permanently close. It had been in operation since 1961. The Buffalo and Niagara Falls region has seen a sharp economic decline since the 1960s, and that's partially the reason why, as attendance hasn't kept up over the years. Many of the rides in the park experienced mechanical failure as well, as maintenance of the park hasn't been able to keep up over the years. As we exit the island, we once again enter an industrial area. Buffalo is the second biggest city in New York, as it basically always has been. There are 256,000 residents in the city today, which is down from a peak population of 580,000 in 1950. Buffalo used to be America's 15th biggest city. About 1.1 million people live in the Buffalo metro area, as every decade the metro area has lost population since 1970. The peak population for the metro area was at 1.3 million people in the 1970 census. I-190 runs right along the shores of the Niagara River for a long stretch on the north side of Buffalo. There is a bike path in between the freeway and the river. And this is where I end the video as we approach downtown Buffalo. If you enjoy my videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. We'll see you next time. Peace!